Hi there traders and happy Monday. Let's start with the gold backtesting and let's go back. Let's do something what is, this one here looks just sideways. Let's zoom in here and let's see what we can find out here. The most heavy one. So first we see straight away we have our rejection high and our rejection low. So let's put those ones here. Rejection high, rejection low, and let's say that this one is rejection high. So principle is break, retest, going higher, or get rejected. Same thing here, get rejected, go back to the highs, or break and retest down. So now we see the price is breaking here, retest, price is going bounce, 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 and here we have the momentum zone. So this is the momentum zone. Price was, after that going back here. So now we make this the minor rejection highs between this zone and this zone here. So let's bring this one here. Price is kind of like bounce, 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 bounce. Now we have these movements. For me, no trades at all here. Now we have this bullish pattern here, but still we're holding the lows, what is super good. And if you're looking at this bullish pattern here, we're breaking the structure, we retest it and breaking the structure, very solid, very, very good one. But let's bring this one here, destruction lows, and let's bring now this one here too. Price is back in the same place. Let's move this one here. We see straight away price is like ding 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 ding, try to break high here. Now is the interesting point, because we have to realize this one here, same thing, going higher or we get rejected. We have the same principle. Right now we have the rejection one, but what was happening? We didn't break any major lows after this rejection here. But the other thing is what you have to realize is, if you put Fibonacci here to this bottom here, what you see here, we have exactly the perfect 618 retest, because we have this bullish pattern, we have this super strong bullish pattern here. We didn't break any lows, and the price is trying to break highs all the time. But now we get this rejection principle, but the principle is to start breaking the lows. But at the same time you have to realize our major movement is all the way, going a little bit higher, 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 higher. But now we have this 618 retest. So let's delete this one. And the price is, nicely going, higher after that. We have this nice breaking structure here. And after this, the deeper 618 principle retest, price is just going higher, higher, higher. Very beautiful move if you want to, long here. For me, that's not the healthy movement, and that's not for me. Now the price is going higher. Price is struggling here a lot. You see straight away, the price is super confused here. The price is pushing both sides, up and down, up and down, up and down. Don't know what to do. And now we have the super strong, breaking downside. But now we have to understand one thing more, because the price is, bullish, bullish, bullish. Price is breaking higher. Where is our last? When we have this push downsides, and now we have this first, push higher. So that's mean above that zone, there is opportunity to price going higher only above this zone. When the price is down here, most likely the price is starting breaking the lows. And now the price is going back here, get rejected, try to go higher here, get rejected, and bounce. So now we create this minor high here. And I want to show you details, because details are very, very important. Okay, the price is try to break higher, and we know 100% that's our opportunity here. But now when you see the first time the price is going much more higher, what you see here, what I'm seeing is M pattern, and it's the bearish pattern. The price is showing to you the bearish pattern soon as when we try to break higher, and after that the price is we have this input candlestick and we close under all those lows. And now we have this retest back, the same thing, the same zone what we take here, the same zone you can take this one, but you have to realize that's the main one now. So if you look in this one here, right, you see rejection and rejection, and the price was going back, and where was going price back? Our original zone here, our strongest support, or our strongest self-motivation to push it back up, And what was happening? So, and now we know exactly the same thing here again. So at this point, what the price was retesting here, that's our strongest point. The price getting loads of energy here, because I don't know if you understand how those things works, but that's the same thing what was happening here, and that's the same thing what was happening here, and that's the same thing what is happening all those here, because we are going those those places where we have opportunities, and that's mean we have the opportunity. That's mean there is the most energy what we can gathering. So right now the most energy what was gathering here was pushing price back to the same zone, and what was happening? The price get rejected again. You see price get heavily rejected here, close under and close under now, retest, and we have a few retest here, and the price is going after that. So what we can see first thing here, so it is bullish movement, and now we see this bullish pattern here. We see how this bullish pattern is trying to fight our way up, but now you see that we don't break even the principle of the bullish pattern, and we get rejected and get rejected again. If I look in this one, I could put this bullish pattern here. So what is the principle of the bullish pattern? The top here pattern, we're gonna break it and we're gonna retest here and going highs. But if you see this one, this point we didn't even break it. We didn't even break it, and the price get rejected. Let's say this is gonna be the zone here. So the price get rejected. What was happening here? The bullish pattern, price get rejected, and going down. We have to realize those those little details, and those are all the time opposite sides. We have the bullish movement, we make the bearish pattern. We have the bullish movement, we make the bullish pattern, but we get rejected. And again down here, what we have another W here. But here we have already some kind of opportunities, because remember, what was this one? We get rejected. And what was here? We break above it, retest, and going higher. You use those two principles, rejection and the retest here. You can take some some good trades there. There is no problem. This one and this one. So let's put the momentum box here in. We have this super solid, you know, retest there, and all the way down here. So let's say your entry is gonna be here. Your stop loss is gonna be at this one, and this is gonna be your trade. Very good trade. Now again, the price is down here. What you're gonna see is, you see this W pattern here. You know, it was trying to break up above it, but now we break above it. We have to retest, and after this retest, we're gonna have, you know, the full movement upside. But if you look in this pattern, it's kind of like what's going on here, not clean at all. And then we have this zone here. That's our opportunity zone. And the opportunity is same thing again, break higher, or we get rejected. What we see here, as soon as when the price try to break highs, we get this impulse candlestick close under very strong impulse. Rejection, 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 breaking the lows and rejecting again. So right now your entry gonna be this one, retest, stop loss last week high here, like this. And what is our original zone? Yeah, we can take this one, no problem actually to take even this one here. No problem to take this one. Back to the major one, because you know we have all those things. But now what was happening? The bearish principles are stepping in. We are start breaking those lows, and you know the biggest opportunity what we have here, the price was failing miserably. You know that was our biggest opportunity to price start breaking those highs. But what that thing didn't happen. That's the price is, you know, price needs some more energy, and that's why the price is going lower to gathering some more energy, our major points. But you know, you already have this kind of, you know, calculation in your head, because like I said, that was the main opportunity. You know, like let's say we have energy and we have another energy. Oh, we have another energy here, like this one. We have energy and we have another energy up here. So that means the price was now back here, but is in this W, you know, with this W. And now the price is going all the way. Oh, so the price is going all the way back here. You know, price is going straight up. That means all this block right now is holding on this W pattern. You know, this weight is holding on this W pattern. So that means this W pattern right now, when it's going more here, that's the main place. You know, that's our main place to gathering some energy. So now when you see after this block, huge block is you know, this W pattern is holding all this price action, and now the price action was retesting that point. That's mean, you know, when this, let's say now the price action is here and the price action is building now back down here. That means that's the main place where we found energy to go higher, but price didn't go after that anymore higher. Price get rejected and starting the playing, you know, putting some principles in and starting breaking these places. And now we see the market is back here and breaking here, and just, you know, you just give up. The price action just give up. We didn't, you know, this place has zero support anymore. You know, like look at that, when the price is now back exactly the same place, what you see, impulse, impulse and impulse. That's mean, you know, there was nothing anymore what was holding. All the energy was giving, you know, in that price action to push higher, and it was failing. And that's why price after that just, you know, It's very, you know, it's very simple, you know, things, but you can use it here. Back to the child mindsets. Trust me, it is exactly back to the child mindsets. So now remember when we put this zone here, and now we have exactly the same zone, but right now we have this major principle. We're gonna do the same zone, and now, and what was happening? Price is doing exactly the same thing, but what was happening here? We have the bullish candlestick pattern confirmation here, and now the price is breaking higher, and the price is breaking higher since that. Now again, price is breaking higher. We have the 618 retest. Price is breaking the higher. We have the 618 retest, and now the price is, you know, that's the very impulsive movement here. Here you can take some 618, you know, trending principles. You know, price is trending, breaking structure. Where we have this breaking structure, our opportunity here gets, you know, rejected strongly. Let's bring this one all the way here. We get rejected. You're definitely gonna make some new rejection high here, and we're definitely making some new rejection lows here. And those places are very strong places, you know, because we have two major structures together. So let's see, the price is pushing higher. Our momentum zones, two together, going up, break retest, going higher. Our new rejection high here again. Oh wow, that's crazy. Bounce back. The major zone here, the minor zone, you can look the same thing. The minor, when the price want to break now higher again, because looks like the price is super bullish. Price have to break above those, you know, it's strongly, but right now price is breaking again. And what we see, same thing again here, you know, we have this W pattern, first leg, second one. Now we try to break it, we have like retest, but next candlestick impulse close under the previous rejection high, and the price is, you know, going that, you know, that means the price was failing, and going opportunity zone here, bouncing back, found energy. Where we found this energy? Oh, this one is super noisy here, super noisy. So we have this opportunity box here, rejected, close under, second retest, going down now, bouncing here. Definitely right now we have 2 minute zones, you know, like we have 2 minute zones in the future price action too. Yeah, market is super noisy here. This one, you know, like let's say you want to trade this sell here, you get stopped out. You want to trade, I don't know, maybe something here too, we get stopped out. This one, okay, this one is pretty good actually. This one shows to you this shift 100%, you know, because principle is going higher, but we fail, you know, with this candlestick here, you know, that's perfect shift. Now we create this opportunity box here, retest, sell, stop loss last week high, and now going back one of something in here. Let's say this is our first memory here to break. This was the, you know, after this moment was breaking the structure, and now this one can go back here. Very good trade. You know, I found only 3 trades so far. That's just crazy. all those three, you know, every single long right now is kind of like, what is going on? Don't see very strong, you know, like most people, they're trading everywhere, you know. But you know, if you're following the information, you know, it's so manipulated information, it's so much, you know, sideways, and that's why all those places is very hard to trade, you know, like all those sideways movements, you know, it's very hard to trade inside here. There is some good movements, but you have to realize, you know, a lot the information, you know, you have to you have to remember all this information, you know, you have to remember the principles, the disrespect, respect, and zoom in and zoom in, and memorizing those things too. And it's not easy to trade, you know, in those things, in these levels here. Best ones are all the time the breaking structures and stuff like that. But yeah, but okay, I'm gonna finish today right now. It's a 20-minute already, and if you have some questions, leave in the comments. But yeah, it's not easy to, you know, following the information inside the noise. It's not easy, but it's possible. It's 100% possible, and I'm gonna see you every single one in the next video. Thank you, and ciao.